Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And, I've ranted about this quite a few times. We talked about it, how it makes Windows seem unprofessional to have ads in it and have recommendations in it. And, I have a hard time with you buy a PC and, for work, for example, and you get, why not try Candy Crush? It's like, who cares? We don't want that. And there's a lot more. Well, it might get worse. I don't know. Apparently, and this is something that was found by Albacore, the Twitter user, that basically there would be a dedicated button called recommendations that would appear on the taskbar, and that would continue with even more ads, meaning that it's going to recommend tons of apps and stuff. And I'll say it so many times. There's ads in the Microsoft Store. I got no problem. It's a store and it's there to promote stuff. And okay. But why ads in Windows? And that is a profound problem. And I can imagine even business PCs getting that button. And it's like, come on, please. We don't need that. We don't want that. And Microsoft is, in that sense, going in the wrong direction. There should not be any ads in an operating system. There's a lot of people saying, well, Windows is free. It's not. It never was. Even if you upgrade it for free, most people have Windows with a PC. They paid for it. That PC had a license that cost an amount of money that was charged to the customer. And if you buy a new PC from scratch and want to install Windows yourself, you need to pay a license. So it is a paid operating system. But they want to try to get even more money by annoying the users. And I'm, it's getting tired of that. And at some point, it's, really making the experience less interesting. Already people are ranting at all sorts of things, including Windows 11 and the minimum requirements. They are, Albacore was saying that they're kind of hiding it a little bit. Why? Because you're scared of the user complaining about it? I don't know. I hope this is not going to eventually get into a Windows operating system. But, more ads in Windows? Nope. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.